Written sources. The following aspects are included in the written sources of modern Indian history. Here, some written sources are given, some aspects of written sources are given here, in which correspondence, foreign accounts, newspapers, biographies, periodicals, factory records, autobiographies, and books come. First, we are going to take Now we are going to learn the remaining part of this lesson. Written sources. The following aspects are included in the written sources of modern Indian history. Correspondence, foreign accounts, newspapers, biographies, periodicals, factory records, autobiographies, and books. We are going to see first newspapers and periodicals. Newspapers provide us information about the contemporary events. What are the use of newspapers? Newspapers provide us information about the contemporary events, means which events took place in that period. Along with it, detailed analysis of a particular event, views of eminent people, editorials are also published. And along with the detailed analysis of a particular event, newspapers publish the detailed analysis of a particular events, and with that it also views on eminent people, and editorials are also published. We get information about the political, social, economic and cultural happening of that period. Through newspapers we get information about the political events, social, economical and cultural happenings in that period. In the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Bazar, Patrika, Dinabandhu, Keshri acted as important source of awakening the minds of the people. In the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Dinabandhu, Keshri acted as important source of awakening the minds of the people. Means they acted to awaken the minds of the people to fight for their freedom. Through the newspapers we can study the British policies regarding India and their effects on India. And with the newspapers we can study the British policies towards India and what are the effects of that policies on India. During the British period, newspapers were not only the source of political events but also acted as a source of social reformation. During the British period, these newspapers not only the source of political events but it also acted as the source of social reformation. The Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunker and Shatapatre written by Lokahitavadi Alais Gopal Hari Deshmukh in the weekly Prabhakar comments on various social and cultural issues. Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunker and Shatapatre written by Gopal Hari Deshmukh, weekly Prabhakar comments on various social and cultural issues. Let us know Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and newspapers. In January 1920, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started the fortnightly Muknayak. In January 1920, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started Muknayak. But later Dr. Ambedkar had to leave for higher studies to England and hence he handed over this paper to his colleagues. And later Dr. Ambedkar had to leave England for his higher education and so he handed over the responsibility of this paper to his colleagues. In April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started the newspaper Bahishkrut Bharat and in 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started newspaper Bahishkrit Bharat. Through the medium of Bahishkrit Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and bringing unity among them. Through the medium of Bahishkrit Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and through this he tried to bring unity among them. Apart from this, he also started two more newspapers, namely Janta and Prabuddha Bharat. And instead of this, he also started two other newspapers, namely Janta and Prabuddha Bharat. Maps and drawings. Map is also regarding as an important source of history. Map is also regarded as a important source of history. The changing nature of the city or a particular location can be traced through maps. The changing nature of a city or particular location is possible to trace through the maps. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Survey of India is a special department, is an independent department which is published by Britishers. Through specific methods of survey, they have credited maps of India, various provinces of India, cities, etc. through scientific methods of survey, and the Britishers used scientific methods for surveying India, and through this survey they have created maps of India. They created some maps of India and various provisions of India and as well as cities. Similarly, the plans designed by the architects prove important from the view of study of architecture of a building as well as the phases of development process of a particular area. Then similarly the plans designed by the architects. Similarly the plans designed by the architecture prove important from the view of study of architecture of the building. To study the architecture of a building, the plans designed by the architects are very useful, as well as phases of development process of a particular area. The plans are also useful to the process of a particular area. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port. Information about development of Bombay city can be understood through the plans drafted by architecture and engineers. And here an example is given. The Department of Mumbai Port Trust, it has original plan of the Bombay Port information, and about the development of Bombay city, it can be understood through the plans drafted by the architects and the engineers. Now we are going to see these written sources on our digital board.
Primary sources of history, that is, first-hand information. It includes books, newspapers, correspondence, periodicals, factory records, foreign accounts, biographies and autobiographies, newspapers and periodicals. Newspapers and periodicals of a particular period give us information about the important events that had taken place during that particular era. Through newspapers, we get information, detailed analysis of a particular event, views of eminent people, opinions published in editorials, and political, cultural, social, and economic happenings of that period. During the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Deen Bandhu, Kesari contributed by creating social awakening and educated the masses. The policies of the British government and their effect on India can be studied in these newspapers. It acted as a source of social reformation. Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar's Nibandhamala and Gopal Hari Deshmukh's Shatapatre comments on various social and cultural issues. Let us know. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started the fortnightly Mook Nayak in 1920. Later, on 4th April 1927, he started the newspaper Bahishkrit Bharat. He also started newspapers namely Janata and Prabuddha Bharat. Was to reform common people and bring unity among them. maps, and drawings. Maps are also regarded as an important source of history. The British government surveyed various provinces and cities of India through scientific method and created maps. The Survey of India, established in 1767, was created to consolidate the territories of the British East India Company. Plans designed by architects and engineers are important as it throws light on progress in architecture. For example, the original map of Bombay Port is with the Department of Mumbai Port Trust. We get information about development of Bombay city through plans drafted by architects and engineers. Oral so
Here the first question is given to you. Solve this question in your work notebook. The second question is give reason. Find the answers of these two questions from the textbook and write them in your notebook. The third question is about short notes. There are 3 topics of short notes are given to you. Find the answers of these 3 topics given in your textbook and write down in your notebook. The remaining part of this lesson means the oral sources we will learn in our next period.